That entire short film? No actors, no studio. Made by just the latest powerful model SEEDANCE 2.5. It is beyond imagination. I'm going to show you exactly how I made it inside Sjinn AI. Let's dive in. Before starting, let's see why SEEDANCE 2.5 is another level. While every other AI video model is stuck at 5 to 10 seconds, SEEDANCE 2.5 hits 30 seconds continuous, with up to 50 references in one generation. I am accessing SEEDANCE 2.5 in Sjinn AI, that is offering early access only. Link in the description. Click on Tool Mode. This is where all the individual AI tools live. We're going to use the Video Generation tool. You'll see the model selector at the top. Click here and select SEEDANCE 2.5. It accepts up to 30 images, 10 videos, and 10 audio files. That's 50 multimodal inputs total. Insane. I'm uploading 4 reference images: my character, the metro scene, the monster, and the warrior transformation. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9. SEEDANCE 2.5 generates continuous 30-second videos in a single shot. You can extend up to 180 seconds in beta mode. Resolution is offering 720p right now, but SEEDANCE 2.5 offers up to 4K. Now, type the prompt. I'm going to paste this master prompt. This one prompt controls everything. Notice how I'm using it inside the prompt. This is how I'm linking each reference image to the correct scene. I've also broken the story into time-stamped scenes. 0 to 4 seconds, 4 to 8 seconds, and so on. This gives SEEDANCE 2.5 a clear timeline to follow. At the end of the prompt, I've specified the audio. SEEDANCE 2.5 generates all of that natively. Copy the script and paste it in the Sjinn prompt box. Let's hit generate, give it a few seconds, and here it is. Look at that. One prompt, 4 images, full cinematic story, character consistent from the first frame to the last. This is not VFX. This is not editing. This is SEEDANCE 2.5. See this? This is one official platform, still on the waitlist. But inside Sjinn AI, I just generated a full cinematic short film in 12 seconds. Early access is real. And one more thing, Sjinn lets you upscale the video directly. One click, better quality. Still inside the same platform. Now watch this. Same story. Different world. This is R2V. Reference to video. Just upload a video as reference, and SEEDANCE follows its movement and structure to build something new. I uploaded my reference video. Same story, but ancient world this time. Hit generate. Waiting for a while. Instantly ready. Same character, same story, a completely different world. No extra work. And this is still the preview version. The official version launches August 7th. Imagine what the full release will do. One prompt. Reference images. 30 seconds. That's SEEDANCE 2.5 inside Sjinn AI. Sjinn AI is in early access right now. Link in the description. Grab it before it goes public. Now go make something insane. If this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe to get the latest updates. See you in the next one.